Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at principle of operation and shifting of a semi-automatic transmission. This is a semi-automatic transmission installed on a Toyota Yaris. As you can see, there are two options. Right here we have a manual option, and on the other side we have a automatic option. Now when we want to drive on manual, all you have to do is shift this lever to M, then pushing it forward will downshift, and pulling it back will upshift. This is how it is done. When you want to select on automatic transmission, however, you shift it to E. That will be a drive mode for this transmission. If you want to go back, you have a reverse option, and in the middle there is a neutral option. So this is how the shifter operates. And turn the ignition key on. Now when the ignition key is turned on, the dashboard display will tell you what gear is selected. See, for example, right there is a neutral gear that is selected. It indicates that the transmission is on neutral. Now when you want to put it on drive mode for automatic transmission, all you have to do is you pull it back. That will put it on E. E is a drive mode for this semi-automatic transmission. Once it is selected on E, then it will operate like a normal automatic transmission. Right there you can see it is selected on E, and then it is on first gear. That indicates the selected drive gear. Right there you see there is an E. E is there, and the E1, it means an automatic transmission is selected, and now we are on first gear. When you select this gear, it will operate with a normal automatic selection option. Now when you want to shift it to reverse, all you have to do is push this lever to reverse. There is a neutral, and when you engage it like so, now reverse gear is selected. As you can see, it is on reverse, and the dashboard display will also tell you that the gear is on reverse. Right there you see R is displayed, which indicates now it is on reverse mode. Now when you want to travel on a manual option, however, you can select the manual from here. When you bring it here, it is a manual option. All you have to do is pull it back. You shift it to the left side like so. Now it is selected on a manual mode. Manual mode, it is usually selected on first gear. So M1 will be displayed on your dashboard, indicating that it is in manual, and manual first gear is selected. That is M1 right there. You can see there is an M1 that is selected. You can see M1 is selected, which indicates it's a manual and it is on first gear. Now once the engine is started and you start driving, when you want to select it on second gear, all you have to do is pull this back. That will add up. That will put it in second gear. You let go, and when you want to put it on third gear, pull it back. That will add. So pulling the lever back will upshift. Pulling it back will again put it on fourth gear. If you want to shift it down from fourth gear to third gear, all you have to do is push it forward. When you push it forward, then place it on the minus option. That will put it on third gear. Pushing it forward again will put it on second gear, and pushing it forward again will put it on first gear into the middle, and then a little up will put it in neutral. So this is usually the spot where you want to park, you put it in neutral. When you want to drive an automatic transmission, you put it on E, and when you want to reverse, you put it on R. So this is how a semi-automatic transmission operates.